Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today what we are going to do is basically fix up the mansion I bought yesterday. Alright, let me change the room, guys. Okay. Well, what I'm going to do is go get my house. It wasn't there when I left because I think I deleted it, but we're just going to go to the house and decorate it. Also, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today, what we're gonna do is basically, I want a pool back here, and change the color of the carpet, and yeah. Then also today, what we're gonna do is buy me a new car, because as you guys know, I have a busted car. So today I'm gonna look for a car to buy and then look for a job. So let's do this now. So I'm basically going to change the color. I'll get back to you guys when I change the color. Okay, hey guys, welcome back. I've changed the color and it looks pretty cool. I like blue. As you guys can see, that basically that I wanted blue. Even the keyboard is blue. So is this, and then we go into my bathroom, and the carpet's blue. And I want to see how outside looks. So let's head outside. As you guys know, it's almost close to Halloween. Happy Halloween to everybody. Anyway, as you guys can see, only the sorry guys, top deck is like railing is blue, and then like the surrounding of the house door is blue. And I think we're gonna put a sign up, and the sign will say welcome. And I really like blue, so I'm gonna put blue. Okay. Well, I basically wanted to buy a car. Also, guys, I want to go shopping too. So I'm gonna let you guys back up when I get to the clothes shop. So, peace. As you guys can see, we finally made it to the clothes shop, and here we go. Oh wait, I forgot to get my money, so I need to go to the bank. And basically, reach into my inventory, and don't worry about all this stuff. Just like pretend it's not there. Anyway, guys, I got my card and. This kind of looks cool. I like this. So we're gonna change up the pants. I like these. As you guys can see, the new clothing is decent. It's decent. Well, I'm gonna go to the car shop where they have my car. So my new car. So guys, I will hit you guys back up. I'm sorry I keep pausing the video. I'll hit you guys back up when I get there. Peace. Okay guys, welcome back. They said it was outside the club, and yeah, that's pretty much the club right there. So I think this is a pretty cool car, but I'm gonna want to change this pretty soon. Because red is not my favorite color, but yeah, it's pretty decent for right now. We're gonna drive it back. So let's go. See how smooth it goes. Pretty smooth. Oh, get something. Oh, and he told me I need to go for gas. So I might as well get gas. It is yellow. Oh shoot. Kind of bad at driving this. But it's truck, so I'm gonna work out the kicks of it. It's still red. I'm sorry guys, it looks like this because I'm checking the light. I cannot see light. So sorry guys. Okay guys, it's green, so we can go. We're gonna head to the gas station. And as you can see, we're gonna park. Well, our gas tank is right there, so we're gonna go into this slot right here. I'm far away from the gas tank. I don't know why. Oh shoot, that is too close. Jump out. And click that. And I'm gonna pay for the gas. Okay, as you guys see the check, I paid for the gas. And still okay. Well, we got the gas filled up, so we're gonna reverse out. And we're going to wait for that person. We're going to drive up here and go to our house. And we're gonna want to open our door early. Excuse me, our door early, so we can park in. And as you can see, I parked it kind of good. We're gonna want to close our door. And since it's nighttime, I'm gonna close my windows. You guys can see it just shut. And lock my doors. So guys, I've had pretty much fun on this episode. Guys, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please tell everybody about the channel. I'm a new YouTuber, and I really want to show you guys what I can do. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys have a great day, and I'll hit you guys back up on a new video. Bye.